How to enable location on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable location services in your Chrome browser, allowing specific website to access your location information. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chrome browser, and once you have opened it, simply click on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after clicking on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, simply click on Privacy and Security. And from here, simply select Site Settings. And once you click on that, under the Permission section, simply click on Location. And here, you will see two primary options. Site can ask to use your location. When enabled, website must request permission to access your location. This is recommended settings for privacy. And another is don't allow sites to share your location. And by enabling this, it will prevent all sites from accessing your location. And now to allow particular sites to access your location, you can simply click on Add next to Allow to see your location section. Here, you can enter the site's URL and click on Add. And to block a specific site from accessing your location, you can simply click Add next to Not Allowed It to see your location section. You can also enter the site's URL and add on there. So by default, Chrome prompts you when a site wants to access your location. So reviewing the site privacy policy before granting access is advisable. So adjusting your location settings in Chrome is straightforward and offers control over which site can access your location information. And you need to always ensure that you are comfortable with the site privacy practices before granting such permissions. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.